Home Remedies presents.
Put this in your house. You will never see flies or mosquitoes again. There is a popular question that goes, what animal kills the most humans every year? Most people thinking it is a tricky question. Answer: other humans. That answer is close because humans are second. But mosquitoes kill almost twice as many humans every year. Today's video is going to be very beneficial for the people who are looking for natural flies and mosquito repellents. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how to make the Remedy green apple soap trick fly trap. Directions: place 3 tablespoons of green apple scented liquid soap into an open container or jar with a few inches of water. Add the soap after you have added the water so it doesn't bubble up. Set the solution out on a table or other surface. Flies cannot resist the scent, and when they fly into the trap, they will drown. Lemon and cloves trap. Directions: a tried and tested method to get a mosquito-free home is to use lemons and cloves. Mosquitoes hate the smell of cloves and anything citrusy. Take a lemon and slice it in two, and push in cloves into both the halves. Keep plates of these clove-infused lemons to get rid of mosquitoes inside the house. It is a natural and harmless indoor mosquito repellent. Tip: be sure to quickly dispose of pet waste, garbage in cans, and food on countertops. If you have a fruit bowl on your kitchen counter, be sure to cover it as flies are especially attracted to apples and mangoes. Wipe down countertops with a disinfecting solution after food preparation.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.